Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sushant Chess Wise. Today we are at the next topic, that is the middle game positions explained. We are at the 24th position of our topic. Through this topic we try to discuss positions where there is one long variation or many variations which has to be calculated. So this is the position with white to play and win. We can see that white has 4 attackers near the black king, the bishop, queen, pawn and the rook. Black's rook on b7 is trying to defend, that is the only defender. The rook on h8 is undeveloped and the queen on d3 is somewhat active, although not participating in the defense. So let's get started with the position here. White has very few candidate moves. We can see the squares c8, c7, a8, a7 are weak. Amongst these 4, c8 and a8 are especially more weak. a8 is just controlled by the king. And on c8 there are 2 attacks and 2 supports. One of them is the king. White should look at the move rook a8 first, then he has the move bishop c8, and other moves doesn't appeal much. There are no useful checks with the queen. We see that the move queen c8, rook c8, bc8, then nothing is happening, just qd1 check is possible. We should not miss black's check on d1, that is a very important point. After rook a8 check, king a8, we see that the queen is again not able to give check. There is the possibility of the move bishop c8, which is very interesting, but black has the move queen a6 which protects b7, and after bb7, qb7, qa4 check, king just goes back to b8 and black is winning over there. So white started his calculation in the first move bishop c8 now. He tries to change the order of moves. The bishop on c8 attacks b7. The rook cannot move because of rook a8 mate, and we see that rook c8 is almost forced. Black can also try the move qd1 check, but we will see the queen is required on d3 to block the a6 square. So after bishop c8, if qd1 check, king h2, now there are no useful checks. Queen cannot take a4 because qb7 mates. Now rook c8 is forced. Rook a8 check, king takes 8, queen c8 check. It's game over because the a6 square is not controlled anymore. Rook b8 forced, queen a6 checkmates. Thus black is compelled to go with the move rook c8 directly before qd1. So let's try to calculate what happens in the line rook c8 first before playing it on the board. So after rook c8, white of course has rook a8 check again, king takes a8, queen c8 check, rook b8. Now we should notice that queen a6 check is not possible anymore because d3 guards a6. So white has to again repeat the maneuver and use the queen in a geometric manner. So queen comes to c6 with a check once again, forcing the rook to come to b7, and now the queen uses the diagonal. So queen a4 check first using the file, forcing the king back to b8, and then comes queen e8 check. So first he moves straight, then diagonally to give check straight, and again he uses the long diagonal. So triangular pattern is formed here, hence we use the term geometric pattern. Queen d8 forced and queen d8 checkmates. Let's play the moves and see. Rook takes c8, rook a8 check, king takes 8, q c8 check, rook b8, q c6 check, forcing rb7. Note that here queen e8 check is not that good because after rook b8, queen a4, kb7, qa7 check, king runs from the c6 square. So first queen a4 check is necessary, kb8, queen e8 check, queen d8 forced, queen d8 checkmates. So here we saw a long variation which worked for white. I hope you are finding these lessons useful and instructive. Thanks for your time.